Here we go with Bad News Travels Fast, unboxing and review from the Spin Master Monster Jam series. So let's go ahead and take a look on the back of the box. This one I still got at Kohl's, Mix 6, Arena Favorites. The trucks in this mix: Gravedigger, Time Flies, Zombie. There's Pirate's Curse, Iron Outlaw, Wildflower, Ice Cream Man, and Earth Shaker. Let's get Bad News Travels Fast out of this box. Here we go. I like the yellow figure that we get. Time to bring in Bad News Travels Fast. And we have gold colored wheels and rims. It looks pretty nice with the truck, but they don't have that on the real version of the truck. But it looks nice in the diecast, not too bad. And now up close for the graphics on Bad News Travels Fast with the newspaper boy carrying the bad news. Very nicely done on the black version of Bad News Travels Fast, because there has been a couple different color schemes of bad news. Then onto the front here. There we have it. Then on top of the roof we have Monster News delivering bad news for 20 years. And then we also get the driver's name on the side of the driver door where they climb up. And then on the other side, just a different shot of look of it. And then on the back we have SignPro. And then also on the back we have where he's from. On to now the tailgate guard, which is this piece right here. On the Spin Master trucks, they all have a tailgate guard mostly. And so here they have Brian Z. Patton and the Monster Truck Collection, and the website also that you can go on to. I'm not too sure why they have this on the truck, but if you ever have any questions or anything about, you know, what Hot Wheels monster trucks, Spin Master monster trucks, there's pictures on there. It's a very nicely done Monster Truck Collection website to go on to, and there's also other monster truck stuff that's on this website that is not Hot Wheels or Spin Master, so you might want to check that out. So that ends the unboxing and review of Bad News Travels Fast. So thank you for tuning in.